Shall we begin?
Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to use a pattern to create a new move or even a new set. We're going to call this the OneLeg Pattern, and yes, you can find quite a few videos with the same OneLeg Pattern tutorial, but I'm going to show you guys my way on how I'm using this OneLeg Pattern and create a new move or a new set. The way I see this as a OneLeg Pattern is because only one of it is on the ground and the other one is always away from the ground or shouldn't touch the ground at all. So for my case, my right leg is the leg that always avoid the ground. So in order to make it easier, I'm gonna slip up my right leg so you know that how I move and which one is my right leg and which one is my left leg. And you can get a better understanding while I'm doing it. So I'm gonna slip up, and this is my right leg and the leg that should always avoid the ground. Okay, now we're gonna apply the pattern into a footwork. Okay, let's say we start from the W pose, and like I said earlier, my right leg is the leg that always should avoid from the ground. So I just want to keep it straight. What I can do from here, I can hook. Okay, and then let's say I'm gonna bring my right leg, swing it back again, and then I'm gonna do a tap. All right, tap. And I can hook it again on top of my left knee. Okay, one more time. W, hook, tap, hook. Okay, from here I can bring my right leg back straight again to the first position, and I'm gonna do a crossover. Then I'm gonna spin or turn and back to the pose again. Alright, that's how you apply the OneLeg Pattern. Like, your right leg is the leg that always shouldn't be touching the ground. It's that simple. If you already get used to the footwork pattern that we did just now, it's time to level up. So by leveling up, we're gonna add in a levels into it. And if you follow my channel, levels is something that is very important in b-boy. It makes your set looks more interesting for people to watch it, and there's quite a few levels. There is high levels, mid levels, and lower levels. Okay, high level is something like a freeze, handstand freeze, one hand freeze, and mid is more like a footwork, and then a lower levels is like a floor rocks. Now we're gonna combine all of that from the up, mid, and then going back to the lower ground levels. Okay, and again we're gonna apply the same concept, only OneLeg Pattern concept. Okay, so here we go. Starting from the same positions, now we're gonna hook our right leg to our left leg. All right, so hook, tap, hook. Now I'm gonna start from the high level first. So from here, let's say I'm gonna do the handstand freeze. All right, there's our high levels. Now I'm gonna bring it back down to the mid levels. What we can do here, I'm gonna bring back my right leg. I'm gonna turn and slowly put my shoulder back down, and then switch to another shoulder, to another transition of shoulder freeze. Alright, and then bring it back down. I can see all along while I'm doing the freeze and the footwork, all the stuff, my right leg did not touch the ground at all. Alright, so from here you force yourself to create something new, and trust me, when you apply this kind of method in b-boying, you can find a lot of new moves and new routine. There you go guys, how to using OneLeg Pattern to create a new set or a new move. And there are not only using a OneLeg Pattern to create this kind of things, there also you can evolve the move that already been done by using the OneLeg Pattern. For example, I give you, there's a 3-step, no, they call this the OneLeg 3-step. Okay, it's pretty cool move. You want to see, I can make a tutorial on it, just let me know in the comment section below. And like I said, there's endless way to doing this kind of move. Just be creative about it. Alright, and that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below what move you want to learn next. and I will try my best to give it up to you guys. And that's about it. I will see you guys next time.